to a side chick never handle Facebook accounts. Yama war. My president of a side chick is one. Who's your Moncolan and Kwana? No more than our four. Yes, I didn't be a baby a Juma. And yet your baby 2 foot trouble and in that's 1 year. Mr. Mahama best of your few is 1 year. A part that buying. A buying with 3 trillion. I could top part the map and collapse for one check. There's a snatch and the 111 hospital that why you a buy pony and sack. Delegate for more pulling station executive, constituency executive, national executive, regional executive. Yen Musa Batwa Yakutui. Ye penny papa po baby dear, ye penny po boady, Nipo brand wasn't. Ye penny po person who MPP party no money getting. Ye ped your baby party ye. Ye pe problem solver and yet the destroyer and yet Judas. And then your baba say party no. Ye ped your baby party ye. And then Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia. Judas ye the near then. Sebi Nyankopon kwa 12 disciples no Judas kwampo ye say ade no kwa wonu kwenu ni ho kwa kos ogontu ba de papa ke de beche no ohun se waya de bone na so we de onu de ohun se waya de bone bia mo mayen kan ehun bom youth for mo Ghana ha aw mo ye MPP for mo mayen kan ehun bom na yen tuwa papa na ye tuwa ba ma Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia 2028 papa yi the power beba NPP no odin kunim die beba NPP no yen kan ehun bom na yen sori ni engina because party awoba obie nye bie ehiafo nye bi obusi nye bi kunafo manye bie enya so mfaso eni NPP aban ya ye hia no se ye be ma obi a owo adwene enye sika ye mfa sika ngu man ye de adwene ni ye de bu man ye pede na adwene so na adwene mu do a obetumi ebu man de no kore ode no kore tachirama ene bebu man no enya trofon eni yan troba no ye fama Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia no be du man no so a muslimi fo mo ha no de manusi a muslimi fo mo ha ye chira mo aka chira mo say sebi ye ni mo trend is fo be chira mo ena mo so mo ye krado na mo tie ye ena mo troba tie mo amudiem ye be sa de mo amudiem asa ba bio na se mo se mo ntu aba mfa mana ye na Kristofo ne mo bi ye be so de ma Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia na se mo se mo sore na mo ntu aba papa em ma se bi mo amudiem na se mo se mo be di NDC fa trofo ne chia ye de ye se ye de Dr. Elijah Mahmoud papa ni ye de ne ba ye diem no ba be kai ho no no so betumba no be ye Kristoni a ye mpese ye beti mo Muslim for mo nu mo asem mpo ene mo kasa because sebi mo diem oba mo diem na mo diem anje no oba mo diem no wanje no na se mo ye mistake na 2028 mo sama sa kwanya we pa mo ho a ene na Kristofo yeso ye beso de gina ye ma Muslim ni bia so nya president of Ghana he bio ye ma no na mpoko so nya Muslim enye president of Ghana he bio ye be ko ma kanfo ne nko a na ma bu be sebio ye de mmamo na enya mo dede a ene ye be gie ko de fofo na mo tse be sebio mo nya mo kakanka na asa because ya ma mo fala na before ye check Muslim for because you know say that day in Ghana for you say Ghana is a Christian country and unti no ye be to ma Christopher nko a ye si da bi Muslim ni so ye bi ye nti se mo ansole na mo anya mo adwene ye na mo hu say akonya bi ne ye bo ato ba ma se bi bia na wo ba a wo ye Muslim ni na be to ba radio man ne so nti se ne obema wo nua twa konde no eno so na wo so be twa adu ochina eno nti mo so ngina na mo ndi Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia chi full force na mo ba be embra power na minim so ba power so a se ne wo ye ma mo ye ni ye no obesa ta akoso wo san ye ni ye dia ma Muslim for.
Thank you so much, MPP Violence Headquarters. Excellent communication as usual. I'm told, sir, reliably informed, sir, most of the constituencies are recruiting for communication teams. You know, at least I know a couple of them. And in Pamucho, you are so skilled in communication and Pamucho constituencies, at least muko register na. Musatiko radio stations my mopa yo. All right, Kumasi Queen. Good evening.
Good evening, boy. Satisfying.
Yes, I don't know who you now, sir.
Yeah, where do you want my major so I can come a cockra?
Oh, David.
Where you remember na me tete.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Oh, boys. My me starting fee Togo for as a foreigner sing be or person or yet to say monarchy government, but
Yeah.
Togo
Why
Togo for practice democracy. Into your best chef when you sing be your panicho. Ne papa ma Olympia ni anjeda. Yes, Reno. Omo say Togo for no so your no ankasa pali me fo ni bi anasa omo ya tapa me fo ni bi te se wono a.
Chevie for ni bi.
Yes. Omo say omo ya ne nkrofo. Until you can never suppress the will of the people. Because as a what's nkrofo na nije so aye den ache 20 years, o papa 37 years. And no be na NDC person omo ya wo Ghana. So what you say? But I do want him culture of silence. Somebody be fighting against them. It breaks that thing. And I was to go for no many yet thing. Me kasa many yet I mean kasa I know not in a violence way. But they should let the international community hear their voice. Say this is what is happening. And then their colonial masters too are part of this game. Before say France is under all this.
Yeah.
France in himself is behind this.
Of course.
Because Sir France to go for your fan who did not TD pass they are practicing democracy. By now, Sir France TC now ultimate day and your mokasa.
Yeah.
Because I chadodo. Akonya nenye if yakonya. Enye monarchy, no waka say, me papa wintimi na media dear. There be abani yetro. Ento ko kromoti ba ko misu kromoti ba ko. Just allow the people mu koto abanas ye two free so ani ye two. Say bia usuro so say bia. Oko baby asylum said ye mobu to say ko ye kwachi ni kunu na. Maybe you can also seek asylum in the foreign countries.
Umbra Ghana cry. Say we are big brothers for them. So Umbra.
Debbie bra. Ohru ye mo jump ani tina ye de ani ye te wono kra ni ye ntimi yes no pa. Because say see me my only fear is say to go sit over. Ye ni ye be we mobo.
Yeah. They are already
because we are neighboring countries. Almost cross so now from Afrawutu. A year, I find say Togo border to Aflawuno. Bra, na denu from what you say?
There are 132 corner ways into Ghana, just on the Volta's border with Togo. 132. Yeah.
What you say? And yes, where the anchor do fear some, yes, sir, or you move fear some, but what they are pomacho, get them pie boba tower machi. More money in a violent way, yes, sir, or moncoso. I know by yes, I know by Emma, a comato, yam, see Omoncasa, they should dialogue, yes, sir.
But what should Ghana learn from it? What should John Mahama's government learn from what is going on in Togo?
Oh, as for John Mahama's government, I know Sir John Mahama want to go for a tech term. I know they are for sure what you are saying. Because since also Bempa started preaching, said there will be a change of constitution. And they are playing with the minds of people. And as some of the cartoon then they will start their games. Because I scam my mind. And now almost the agents in a year they ago. Already, we shouldn't forget some Mahama catcher said Ghanaians have short memory. And indeed, a lot of them have short memory. Because so many short memory with the ruling of John Mahama 4 years and I say 6 months to the president most time in the crack and son over 4 years and account the papa DFM we shouldn't have allowed John Mahama to even attempt so best the put foot to Jubilee House. John Mahama the uncle so Ghana ni bia mu John Mahama obi be say America gidi now they share because oyo huruye emoja anya den empanichim John Mahama nitima emenipa. The same John Mahama no see he will kill a fly with a bulldozer. So what you say? Such a comment comes from a whole president and a vice president and on your papa, on your mind now. On your mind Ghana na you see you don't know. John Mahama there be. Owini abai wa kosa hell countries nini na SCT. Because all be bisa because no oye indecisive. He can never think for himself. And he always wants somebody to think for him. Now on apply. No can say no why so that he can take the glory for himself. Inti wako Sahel countries nini na ko bisa then I wako to start doing it na no. or Baba practice, and all the other is so yes, no. And to the next step, or Chief Justice, no. Saying Ghana for no. Some men know yan sorry na yan kasa. Na ye kaya nutum. Ni ama John Mahama who says some more 1264 army for Munshia ya wahanu mudinika ri. No more Baba konto kwa basintele army force se basintele CDR se basintele I don't know. Kedeso. We should also match them
5K women, 5K men, 3K women.
So we should also train our people because we have the Delta Force, we have the Burger Bulldogs, those kind of people. We should also start training them. We shouldn't believe in this peace council say we should do away with vigilante. Meanwhile, no be here vigilante more than Ejuma. Edi Ababe say or mine. John Mahama, why not just opposite cool near the NC? Already in the book or my first coup d'etat, my brother. How can a president write a book and name it my first coup d'etat? I didn't cool now obey. A day I drink one about Timmy Jawdi Kuku. It's Mahama, no, you didn't. But I say,
I call Lanchi book or Russia.
That's it.
I call Lanchi book or Russia.
Obi best Russia or no, you were fuck when fala the abonnable. Obia to a you for won't see share and someone here will do Ukraine.
Yeah.
So, and I come home no matter just tactics in now. Now, maybe blame national security because Mahama and they think said they are intel. Meanwhile, will be a deputy or the information. Abina Kasano was surrounded with people, no more selling out, they sell them out all the time. And then a DMP baby. Not forgetting the big Judas in us, our course Ghana, a whole mess we see. So what you say. But I believe, say, Ghana for you who could drop here when you are Burma. I see a chiobia will ye the car background na ye corner. We have that spirit in us. We can resist oppressors' rule. And we would never allow John Mahama to go for the third term. Because John Mahama, and you be papa be na all year. Coming to the dollar, bra. So we'll send this will be cry because you are going to send more dollars. And we are the ones, the sender is the one who is losing. And the receiver is winning. What you see? And at the end of the day, ne basa si kaka krana wo nya wa ha ni na wo de yeden e kofi enti e ma wonti mi enkyere wo do enkyere wo bi. Meanwhile se sika no de kofi e dis fa kuntu na se e de kofi a at the end of the day do benya $12 and I say be at 12.30 12 BB. Meanwhile he would dey quite say 10.25 10.20. So enti I rather not even send money any na ho e kwosoro a because sika ne wash no obi a so awu krum ha bia meka nkyere ne say na nani nyi sika na na wash no me de bia na masema meka say me ni je ho me de me medan na chi meka say dabi because I ketu bi na wo de be yeden e de be ko wo benya sika gali ebetu agrada da roma ebetu amame enti why say me meye adwumadin na me fa sika bebre ma no abanya waka ne to adwom say on person we bie ne nsem on tua contractor sika onye she but he's taking the credit for himself. And then police na John Mahama diaba sa good body friend saying Dr. Bawumia good for all you yana what done the din just adie bia o ma ye bia o se sedin no aye ne say ono no de Newton aye dey aba which obviously on fa de foforo bia anya dey emaye so what am I say Enti John Mahama de no krani nyame anim ne bra we will not even wish him to go for church and we will pray to God kill John Mahama and no we will pray about the judgmental prayer no because we can never allow John Mahama to go for a church bra ye ntimi nta John Mahama government we say man so be enjoy because of their parochial interest in now we rather will be suffering there be because now those pastors that spoke ill against Nana Addo Dankwa, those pastors are now mute. They see no evil, they hear no evil, they talk no evil. But now in say if you see something, say something. But then the pastors they see something, they don't want to say anything. Catholic bishop are yedin, Christian councils are yedin, and then pastors will be and you are in a portion. And then John Mahama na no join and no say oh Assemblies of God ni na me Christian ni my Christian values me pacho Christian values and my kwame me yetwen plan and my side chicks. Where is in the Assemblies of God Bible? A chair and say one you chair one man, one wife. Actually, and say emphasize chicks. I know what you know say the Christian values. What Christian values do you have? O me kan kire ye. What Christian values be ya? O kan kire ni manya me somopa. Wa pa o ma hoden. Onye gidi ni. Oni na maso ni mu bi keke. Okoja asorefo. Asori koni na John Mahama oye. So what I say the voice. Enti ye de ye besre wo mo. Sa digital ya doctor ye ya. Ene ukọ baabi anka ya wukuta wo card pe. Ye bo di as o date of birth na wo information bibia ye den aben. Bra me ti hey say na me friend me doctor na me person me book appointment obisa me date of birth pe. No obisa me social pe. Eno ano no that's it. Obeye bibia ye den ama me. So ene ukọ Ghana na say folder abeswa folder te say de wo so Oxford books awukọ university awukọ ya na say wo buy.
Oh, me see.
And I am no your problem is say ye mfa hospital details na my information na my mfa ye
yeah.
I have so the wukọ ye the mount umpo no so ni do afikura wukuta obi bia na the man things are very easy. Enti ka doctor this how digitalization ni buy ka the best way no which obviously the education minister point me kan digitalization na no from ebe ye dan na Mahama atwaso so what you see. Enti at the end of the day sir HR for no see omun chia o kan enti say network is down. Esa yara what we ordered is what we've gotten. Sanka yanko order aduane boni a nke efa aduane boni we say nyalen e maye. Na me the nurses so teachers so me omasem emfa me ho bra o mbetwa mutikura wo muntwa me hu me benjo Mahama kura nka me ka che ne say me pania oye no o mi omumo it will serve them right next time no ye tu omfo a omo metna ha o me ka say alawa no magye enso me nkoto aba no na mu hu John Mahama na mu huri so wiem ti say dia komasi omo so they are welcoming John Mahama oba e was obi edi ne nan gunmirika wutu mi kan tente ko show them because obe wiaw oba be create ni walutu na oni ne side chicks akoshe eni asofo binum akodi wo se mo pe John Mahama esamo a na Ghana for there you people have been ungrateful na mo ungratefulness no ene na ene akosi ye ni na ye ti a ebi akaye because edubone na yekoto ye no ebi akaye so wo se dua mu bokokura e ba be bubu awon kasa no ma dwen yo so mo say Dr. Bawomia enka by now bra 6 months enka Dr. Bawomia odenia matoto because ade no na wo ye